Okay, here we go. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to the salty corner of the internet. Today we are going to be trying out the, drum roll please. I'll be trying out the Kylie and Mom palette. This is the collab between Kylie and her mom. So that's the palette that we're looking at right now. But today we're going to be doing, we are going to be testing out this palette, and obviously we'll be doing a full glam look. Actually, I haven't opened this, so, and I've only seen it online, so we'll see what type of look that I can do with this. Not planned. I have to say, like, this matte packaging, I'm into it. Ooh, this is a nice, like, fine detail right here. Little checkers. This is like her house. Like, her house has these floors. Maybe that's why they did it. Okay, and then if you open it, it's this little palette. Ooh, are you ready? I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open. When you open it, oh, it does have a little like residue on the top. As soon as I opened it, I like haven't opened this before, nor have I touched it, so I think, yeah, there's a little residue on the top. It says, I have one word for tonight, Vodka. It has a lot of colors that are like shimmery, like the very nice, which is like the purple-ish color. I like that color most because it matches my hair. Hair is up. We're ready to go. I'm gonna prime with the Frisali. I think that's how you say it. I actually don't know. But I'm gonna prime with my Unicorn Essence. Woo! Going all over my face. Just priming my face. I'm also gonna prime with the 24-hour Too Faced Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. Top of my face. It's gonna be the top of my face. What? It's such like a gut reaction. I like opened this thinking that there would be a mirror, and I opened it to prime my eyelids, and I like went in and I was like, wait, what? There's no mirror. And just prime and prime and put it on your face. I don't know if other people do this too, but I also prime the under the eye just because I'm gonna put eyeshadow there too, so I don't want that to crease. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with Payback's a Bitch, and I'm just going to coat kind of my eyelid a little bit. I just like to put a base because I have kind of yellow undertones, and I like to work with like a more cooler canvas. The Payback's a Bitch like went on okay, but I'm trying to pick up the Very Nice, and it's flaking off. I try to pick this up, and I'm testing it right here. Like, it's like not going on my skin. It's just like falling off. So I'm going to just put on the Very Nice, which is like the purple color I really want, and I'm gonna put it kind of, look at this. You can't even see it. I'm putting it on, but I'm like swirling my whole brush on it and putting it on, and you can't tell. Last time I tried to put the purple like too much on the outer corner to make it darker. It didn't work. So I'm just going to use the I'm Watching You, and I'm gonna use the same brush I did. I did the round brush last time, so I'm gonna keep using the round brush. I'm gonna use the round brush, put a little more on. It does have like a little bit of like a blue hue as well, I feel like. Maybe it's just on my skin, it looks a little bit blue. Okay, I'm gonna take my number 7 concealer, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on, and I'm not gonna cut crease, but I'm just gonna put a little bit in the front, just because I want the glow to happen. I'm gonna take the Vodka Tonic, and I'm gonna just, and it's like the dusty pink color, but in a shimmer. So what I like to do when I want the colors to pop more is I like to put a little bit of water and put the pigment on. Like try to pick up the pigment, make like a moussey eyeshadow with it. And I feel like when I put it on, like it's much more stronger. But I feel like this is like more what I wanted than last time. Ooh, you do not want to see what happened last time. I'm gonna go in with the I'm watching you a little bit more. And this is the first time I'm actually not drawing my eyeliner all the way to the front. I'm just drawing it just on the ends, like as a wing. So we'll see how this looks. I'm trying a lot of new things today. I'm gonna put on my Fringe 04 lashes from Sephora. So that's my done eye. My eye is done on this side, but not on this side. So I'm gonna do this eye off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, I did the other eye off camera and I'm back. I actually dragged my eyeliner in like more because I only did the ends like last time, but I just like kind of dragged it all the way in. So just taking my MAC Prolong Wear foundation. I've already wet my little squishy and I'm just gonna put it on my face. My Prolong Wear foundation. Prolong Wear foundation, you know, I always use it. This foundation is medium coverage, but I feel like it does a pretty good job. By the end, I have put so much shit on my face that I feel like this is a right amount of like first base, you know? It's like not too much, but it's just right. Now I'm gonna use the Ultra HD foundation stick and just go in right under my cheekbones for some contouring. I'm just blending up. So I'm gonna finally try this Hourglass Vanish. It's called Vanish. Alright. Ooh, look how pretty. Ooh, oh my god, look how pretty that is. So pretty. So pretty when it's new. It's like a flower on my forehead. I did test it out at the store, but you know, you never know until like you actually try it on. So it does blend out really well. Ooh, I love it. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my Burberry. This is like my favorite part, you guys. I love doing this. Just look at this glow. And just dust it off. Dust off those haters. Let's go with the Marc Jacobs, and this, I've never used this before. I'm using a lot of new products like Night Mauves, and I'm gonna use this. It's like kind of close to the color of the eyelid, so I want to just like matchy today. Okay. Alright everyone, this is my final look. Do you like it? I feel like this Momager palette was a little bit of a disappointment. I thought it would just go on a little bit more, but it just like didn't, and I really wanted to like it, but I don't know if I like it as much as I should. I think I do like some of the colors, but I have those colors in different palettes that perform a little bit better. So I really like this look, even if like I had to try multiple times to do like cut crease, and it was a journey. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. I will see you next time. Bye! I'm hungry again.